Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking, and today guys I'm gonna make you guys some nice and lovely French fried chicken wings. So this is the chicken wings guys that I'll be using. It's already washed, it's already clean. These are all the seasoning guys. I'll be using chicken seasoning, everyday seasoning, seasoned salt, paprika. This is chicken stock cube, garlic seasoning, and 2 eggs. So hi guys, I'm just gonna season up my meat now. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna put like half a spoonful of the seasoned salt, and 1 spoonful of the everyday seasoning, and 1 spoonful of the chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoonful of the garlic powder, and 1 teaspoonful of the paprika, and half a teaspoonful of the black pepper. And this is my chicken stock cube. Hi guys, so I'm gonna put also some hot pepper sauce in there. This is how it look. This is optional guys, but I'm just gonna put just a tiny bit in there. I'm just gonna take my hands guys and just massage it as I always do. Make sure all your meat is all covered with the seasoning, okay? You can use gloves, but I don't like to use gloves. I like to use my bare hand. Hi guys, so you're definitely gonna need your plain flour just to coat the chicken wings. So I got like half a cup of flour here. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna season it. I'm just gonna put like 1 teaspoonful of the chicken seasoning and 1 teaspoonful of the everyday seasoning and half a teaspoonful of the seasoned salt. And I'm also gonna put some garlic seasoning. That's around a teaspoonful. Hi guys, so that's my 2 eggs there. I put some tiny bit of chicken seasoning and some salt also, not a lot, just a tiny bit, because I try to cut down this on the salt guys. So I don't really use salt on my meat because the seasoning already have so much salt, so I just try to cut it down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my fork and just beat the egg. Hi guys, so this is how everything look. That's my chicken wing there, that's my flour, and that's my egg. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna take my wing and just coat it in the egg. So after I coat it, I'm just gonna put it in my flour. So I'm just gonna continue to do this back and forth. Hi guys, so this is how my chicken wings look after I finish coat it with the flour. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna eat my pot up. Hi guys, so that's my pot there. It's well hot. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna add my vegetable oil to the pot now. So make sure guys you put a lot of oil in there. It's very important. So the meat can cover. That's a lot guys. I don't even measure it, but it's just a good amount, as you can see. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna test my oil to see how hot it is. So I'm just gonna put a garlic in there. I think that should be ready. It should be ready guys. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna quickly put all my wings in the oil. Be careful how you're doing this guys. Please don't let no oil burn you. You have to be careful. I'm used to it, so I know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna put at least, so that's 4. So I'm just gonna put at least 5. So I'm just gonna make the cook guys like 5 minutes on each side. So hi guys, it's been frying for at least 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my fork and just turn it. Nice golden brown. So I'm just gonna make it fry guys for at least 5 more minutes on the other side. Alright guys, so my chicken wings is finished, so I'm just gonna remove them from the pot. It's looking so crunchy guys and so nice. I mean, look at this. Oh my days, looks so good guys. Nice and golden. So guys, I'm just gonna repeat the same process with these one also. Hi guys, so my chicken wings is finally finished. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna remove them and then I'll just plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Hi guys, so this is how my French fried chicken wings turn out. This is how it look on the plate, and I'm telling you guys, I just add some and it's so nice guys. It's so delicious. Please try this recipe. I thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.